Case study based question related to the chapter Coordinate Geometry. A class 10 students of a school have been allotted a square plot of land for their gardening activity. The sapling of banyan tree are planted on the boundary wall at the distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a grassy lawn in the shape of a triangle as shown in the figure. Based on the figure, answer the following question. This is a rectangular garden and a plot PQR in the form of triangle. This is a plot of garden. Now give the answers. Coordinates of the points PQR. The coordinates of the point P is 1 and write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, the coordinates of P is 1, 4. The coordinates of P 1, 4 and Q is 4, 1 and R is 6, 5. The coordinates of P 1, 4, Q 4, 1 and R is 6, 5. The right answer is first. Okay. Next, the median from Q meets PRS at the coordinates of the point S is the median from Q at PR. Okay. This is a triangle PQR. The coordinates of Q is 4, 1, R is 6, 5 and P is 1, 4. Now the median from Q at PR. This is a point S. The coordinates of S is the midpoint of PR. S is the midpoint of PR. The formula of midpoint of coordinates x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula of finding the midpoint. The coordinate of S is equal to 1 plus 6 by 2 and 4 plus 5 by 2. The coordinates equal to 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This is the coordinates of point S, the midpoint of PR. 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This option is right. Okay. Now third, the coordinates of a point G. G means centroid on QS such that OG is to GS is 3:1. The coordinates of G. Basically, coordinates of G means the centroid where three medians are meet at a point. This point is known as the centroid. The coordinate of centroid we can find such that 2:1 ratio. Otherwise, the coordinates of centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. The coordinates of centroid x1 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. इस तरीके से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर x1 1 plus 4 plus 6 by 3. 1 plus 4 plus 6 by 3 and 4 plus 1 plus 5 by 3. Okay. 11 by 3 and 10 by 3. 11 by 3 and 10 by 3. These are the coordinates of centroid G. 11 by 3 and 10 by 3. The 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. This option is right. Now fourth, if a line drawn to intersect the sides QP and QR at M and M, such respectively such that QM upon QP, QN upon QR is 1:4. The coordinates of point M is. This is a figure of triangle PQR. M and N intersect at the PQ and QR at the points MN. The given that QM upon QP, but we have to need the ratios of QM upon PM. The QM upon PM, if this is the 1 and whole is 4, it means 1:3 ratio. 1:3. QM upon PM 1:3. Similarly, QN upon RN is also 1:3. The total parts are 4. If this part is 1, it means remain the 3. This is the 1 and this 3. Okay. Now find the coordinates of m. Neither using section formula, m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. These are the coordinates of point M. Now put the values. M equal to 1, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4 by 1 plus 3. Similarly, 1 into 4 m, this is the m, y2 n y1. 1 into 4 plus 3 into 1 by 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 12, 13 by 4, and 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. These are the coordinates of point M. 13 by 4 and 7 by 4, coordinates of M. 13 by 4 and 7 by 4 is the right option. And last, the coordinates of point NH. This is the same formula used in this. The coordinates of n, similarly the ratio is 1:3. 1:3 ratio, and the points are 4, 1 and 6, 5. Now the first, x equal to m1 x2, yani 1 into 6 plus m2 x1, 3 into 4 by 1 plus 3. This is 18 by 4 and cancel 9 by 2. And y equal to m1 y2 3 into 1 into 5, 3 into 1, 1 plus 3. 8 by 4 equal to 2. The coordinates of n is 9 by 2, 2. Okay. So 9 by 2 and 2. Which option is right? C. Okay. Thank you.